Hello everyone, if you're looking for a humidifier to take the moisture out of the air as well as your skin, your nose and throat, this humidifier is one of the best one I've found on Amazon. It's a top filled humidifier. It's the Geniani top filled humidifier. Different parts of the humidifier. To fill it up with water, make sure you use distilled water. This is the top. You just remove the top and this is where you're going to pour the water. Put it back on here. This is the back section. The back section has a little space right here. This is where you're going to put the essential oil. And I'm going to use my Majestic essential oil, also from Amazon. I'm going to fill out this Geniani with distilled water. Make sure you use distilled water to keep the harmful microorganisms out of the air. And make sure you don't go past this prescribed fill line. So we're going to pour distilled water. This is very cool because it's top filled and you don't have to do too much. My water, and so that is it. So we're gonna cover it, plug it in and start it. It's gonna plug it up in the back, plug it in and press start. You'll be good to go. This is also the instruction booklet. If you want to read the instruction, make sure you do, because most of us don't. But this is one of the best humidifier I've used, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. You can press this 4 times for the highest level, and the 5th time it will turn off the unit. So just let it flow, and it would be better if you put it on somewhere high because it flows all over, but it actually flows downwards as well. And make sure you pay attention to the cleaning instruction because you're going to want to clean this unit as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.